Good plane here. I am going to show you how to rebuild your PS3. So what you have to do is you're going to have the PS3 off. So you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. No, not 3, but you can hold it for 3 beeps. 1, 2, 3. And then after the 3 beeps, it will automatically turn off. As you can see, it just did. Then you can do it again. 1, but this time it's going to be 2 times in the end. 2, see it beep 2 times. And then it's going to do this. It says to connect the controller using USB cable and press the PS button. So, what I'm going to do is get our Junior, where's the charger? Where's the charger?
The charger checking the thingy.